This 2022 Highland Ridge Range Lite 241BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 8, external shower, refrigerator, LP detector, oven, TV antenna, spare tire kit, skylight, slideout, self-contained, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Range Lite 241BH is 6,067 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Range Lite 241BH. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.